Here we have a question from angles and lines. What is given is, if a transversal intersects two lines such that the bisectors of a pair of corresponding angles are parallel, then prove that the two lines are parallel. So, here the figure is given. Even otherwise, from the statement we should be able to draw it and comprehend. Transversal is normally a line cutting two other lines. Suppose the two lines in questions are these. Another line cutting this should be the transversal. It says transversal intersects two lines such that bisectors of a pair of corresponding angles. So here in the figure they have marked. They have clearly marked this and this is equal, which means this line, this BE line, is bisecting this AD. And they have marked. Similarly, this is PQ, this is RS. Similarly, in CG also is bisecting this. These two angles are equal. That's what it says. What we have to prove is that PQ and RS are parallel. That is what we have to prove. So, given we have ABE equal to EBQ, because it bisects, because a pair of corresponding angles it says, and BCG equal to GCS. You can say angle bisector. And then to prove, what do we have to prove? That PQ parallel RS. This is what we have to prove. So let us go about the proof now. First of all, what is given is bisectors of a pair of corresponding angles are parallel. It is also given here that BE and CG are parallel, and automatically whenever parallel lines come, the angles that should come to our mind are corresponding angles, alternate angles, co-interior angles. Here it mentions about corresponding. So obviously these two are parallel. ABE will be equal to BCG and angle EBC will be equal to GCD, because they are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles make an F shape, and that is quite prominent there. Now, if we have to, normally when two lines are parallel, we know corresponding angles are equal. So, if we have to prove these two lines are parallel, then if we prove that ABQ and BCS, which are corresponding angles, if they turn out to be parallel, by the converse, if these two angles are equal, the lines PQ and RS should be parallel. So, the angles we need in question are ABQ, and let us split them. ABQ should be ABE plus EBQ, and BCS should be BCG plus GCS. We have just split this as this plus this plus this, but they are angle bisectors. So obviously this can be written as twice of ABE. This can be written as twice of BCG. So if ABQ is twice of 2AB and BCS is twice of BCG, we already have that ABE and BCG are equal here. So from 1, automatically ABQ and BCS also will be equal, but these form corresponding pair of angles. So since these two angles which are corresponding pair happen to be equal, by the converse, PQ should be parallel to RS. So hence proved. This is how you should go about geometry sums. I hope that was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.